Prosecutors say Christopher Lopez was seen on surveillance video crossing multiple lanes of traffic on Northwest Highway before striking Officer Robert Frick's vehicle in what prosecutors described as a near head-on collision. They say Christopher Lopez admitted to having multiple drinks before driving. Lopez remained on the scene where Barrington police administered field sobriety tests, which they say he failed. The Cook County State's Attorney's Office also alleging Lopez had an initial blood alcohol concentration of .059, below the legal limit. A blood test later revealing Lopez's BAC to be .031. Prosecutors say a search of Lopez's car led them to an open bottle of tequila and a pill bottle with cannabis residue. Lopez's defense attorney, Alex Tanas, argued his client's concern for the victim should be considered when weighing the possibility of pretrial release.
I can tell you that his main focus the entire time was making sure that the officer was okay. From the entire incident, his main concern was, is this individual okay?
Prosecutors also allege data collected from Lopez's vehicle show he was driving over the speed limit at the time of the crash and that he failed to use his brakes before the collision, also pointing to 2 prior speeding offenses as reason for him to remain in custody. A tearful Lopez was led from the courtroom back into custody while a large contingent of his family left without saying a word. Meanwhile, no apparent presence from Glenview police in court today. Officer Frick's colleagues and family continue to stay private as they mourn their loss. Just 2 weeks ago, Officer Frick was honored for helping to save the life of a fellow officer. Now they're planning his funeral. As of now, Lopez is charged with 1 count of reckless homicide, though that could change as prosecutors continue to review toxicology evidence. In Rolling Meadows, Rob Hughes, ABC 7 Eyewitness News.
Rob, thank you. And funeral arrangements have now been set for Officer Frick. Visitation will be this Thursday at the Glucker Funeral Home in Arlington Heights. The funeral is the next day starting at 10 a.m. at Our Lady of the Wayside Catholic Church in Arlington Heights.
Watch breaking news on YouTube. Subscribe to ABC 7 Chicago Eyewitness News.